A seasoned wilderness guide leads an ascent into a wind-blasted ridge, showing how to improvise a shelter from spruce branches and a tarp. He explains choosing a sheltered wall and securing the frame with simple knots to endure a squall. Then he demonstrates a water still using condensation and plastic sheets, with solar disinfection for safe drinking. The expert covers signaling and navigation, teaching whistle codes and sun bearings to stay oriented. He ends with 5 core skills: firecraft in wet conditions, rationing, calm mindset, route planning, and evacuation.